Hi guys, Geoff Mutton here, going to do the TaT share prize draw for October. Normally Geoff Smythe does the draw, but he's currently overseas, travelling around Europe, so I'm going to do the draw today. So first of all, I suppose thanks to Bursons and AUTEL for donating the prize, great prize, and obviously with that great prize we see a bit of a spike in the entries, so a big thanks to everyone who's submitted entries this month. We have a total of 42 entries, which is really awesome. That's more data, more repair solutions just adding into our databases of information to share with each other. A lot of the usual suspects are in there: Jason Smith, Jack Mackay, Gary Oren. So thank you guys. But we also, special mention, we had quite a few new members submitting repair solutions, and a special mention to Robbie Oakley, who had 8 submissions, and Michael Nunns, who had 4 submissions, guys. So a big thanks to everyone who's shared some repair solutions or good scope scan data in this month. Rightio. So got the all the names in here. Just give it a bit of a mix around, and we will pick one out. Got one here, and we have Blake Matthews. Oh, sorry, get my finger across that. Congratulations, Blake, you have won the AUTEL prize for this month. So Blake, we will get that out to you in the mail in the next few days. So once again, thank you to everyone. Congratulations to Blake. We have one more prize for this month for November, and we're going to release that on Friday. That's a very good prize. This one's going to top the year off. This prize is coming out on Friday. So keep those submissions coming. The more data we get in, the more submissions we get in, the more information there to share with everyone else next time you've got a problem. So thank you, and we'll see you next time.